In the previous session, we saw how we can write smart contracts in Rust using Cosmodium. And now in this session, we will see how we can integrate the contracts with the front end using Cosmodium library. For this, we will use React.js library for setting up front end. Before that, let's learn some basics about wallet and wallet integration. Then we will proceed with front end integration part. So here are some key points which we will cover in the session and upcoming session as well. First, we will learn about Kepler, and after that, Cosmodium.js, transaction integration and query integration. So Kepler is a widely used wallet application that is built for the Cosmos ecosystem, and it acts as both a user interface and a secure storage solution catering to the management of digital assets within the Cosmos ecosystem. So here are some of the key features and use cases of Kepler. First is wallet and asset management. Kepler allows user to securely store and manage their Cosmos-based cryptocurrencies and tokens. It supports various Cosmos-based assets, including Atom, the native token of the Cosmos Hub, and other tokens issued on the Cosmos network. The second one is interoperability. Kepler provides user with a seamless experience to the interact with multiple blockchains and applications within the Cosmos ecosystem. It streamlines the process of switching between different chains, ensuring a unified environment for managing assets and participating in the various decentralized application on the Cosmos network. The third one is the staking and governance. Kepler provides staking functionalities, enabling users to actively participate in the consensus mechanism of the Cosmos network. By delegating their token to validators, user can earn rewards. Moreover, Kepler facilitate governance participation, empowering user to vote on the proposal and actively contribute to shaping the future of the Cosmos ecosystem. And the fourth one is the decentralized application integration. Kepler acts as a bridge connecting user to decentralized application built on the Cosmos network. Through its user-friendly interface, Kepler enables seamless interaction with the Cosmos-based dApps, granting user access to a wide range of features, including token swap, lending platforms, decentralized exchange, and other functionalities. And the last one is security. With the focus on security and user experience, Kepler integrates several key features. It supports the hardware wallet integration, encrypted key storage, and secret key backup to ensure the almost safety of the user funds. Additionally, Kepler simplifies the transaction signing process, enhancing the convenience for user engaging with the Cosmos network. Kepler has gained a significant adoption within the Cosmos community due to its user-friendly design, board compatibility, and comprehensive feature set. It empowers the user to actively participate in the Cosmos ecosystem, manage their digital asset, and explore a wide range of decentralized applications built on the Cosmos network. So, okay, now we will see the practical implementation of the Kepler and integration. So first we need the Kepler wallet in our browser. So I will add the Kepler extension from the Chrome store, extension store, and okay. So first we need to create a new wallet on the Kepler. So I'm creating a new wallet, create a new recovery phrase. So this is my secret recovery key phrase. Like whenever I lost my wallet, with the help of these key phrase, we can recover our wallet. So basically, I copy this key phrase and paste somewhere. After next, Okay, so he's asking me about third and 12th word. So third word is math, and the 12th is decline. So my wallet name is something test account. Okay, I'm creating a password. Confirming the okay. So now here we are done with the wallet thing. So okay. So to get started, we need some packages installed in our system. Here are some of them. Like we need the Cosm.js, Stargate, Cosm.js, Tendermint RPC, Cosm.js type, and Cosm.js type. So I already installed all the packages in our system. So let's start. Now our first aim to add our no-one chain in the Kepler wallet. So for that, I will create a new config file, and in this file, I will add all chain and config related data. So I created a one new file. I'm creating a new file here in okay rpig.config.js. So here we need to add all the config related data. So first, I'm creating a object of one network configuration. Uh, So we need some multiple data. First, we need to RPC, rest, chain ID, point denom, point minimal denom, and coin decimal, wallet prefix, coin type, chain name, and the last one is a symbol. So for the rest and RPC thing, we already shared a doc on the Dora Hacks website for the no-one chain. So this is our REST endpoint. So I copy and paste it here. And for the REST thing, this is our REST endpoint. And chain ID is a Comdex no-one. Okay. So coin denom is a CMDX. Minimal denom will be a UCMDX. Coin decimal sixth number. Prefix Comdex. Coin type 118. And chain name we put a Comdex no-one. And symbol CMDX. Okay. So here we are done with the network config data. Now our next step we will add the suggest chain configuration for adding new chain in Kepler. So so this is the doc provided by Kepler. You can get some reference from here. and I will add all the configuration in our project and try to get our chain on the Kepler wallet. So for that, I need to create a suggestion function. So for those, I need all the data here. First, RPC, REST, chain ID, and chain name. Okay, RPC, REST, chain ID, and okay, stake currency. Wallet, your for staking is a optional thing, and big 44. So stake, stake currency. And in the stake currency, we need to pass three things: coin denom, coin minimal denom, and coin decimal. So coin denom, coin minimal denom, and coin decimal. Okay. And after that, BIP 44. Here we need to pass the coin type, and after that, this is optional. 32 config currency each. Okay. So then 32 config. Here we need to pass the multiple things. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then, and after that, we need to pass the currency. Okay, so I'm passing the other currency. The currency we need to pass the coin denom and coin minimal denom, coin decimal. Okay, so after the P currency, we need to add the feature P currency. Okay. and decimal and gas price. Low. Okay, so we are done here. Now we need to pass the values. So we use this config variable. So we use context dot rpc next dot rest chain id context dot id stake currency. Okay. Fine decimal. Okay, here we need to pass the coin type. Coin type. Mm, Here. Why? Okay, let me the prefix next dot prefix and add pub. Okay, so here currencies we need to pass the context, coin decimal, coin denom. It's dot coin denom coin and coin decimal. Okay, in the free currency also we need to pass the same data. Coin decimal. Okay, so for the gas fee in the lotion we pass 0.01. For average fee we pass 0.025, and for the high fee we add 0.04. Okay, things is added. Okay, so we are done here. Now we need to add a one handler function in our JS file for getting the user address and the user balance. So for that, I am here in the navigation.js file. Here we need to create one handler function. So I'm creating one function for the getting user address. We need to make the function async here. And here first we will check we install the Kepler extension or not. So first if window.Kepler, so we return one alert here. Basically extension, okay. And in the else condition we actually write our code. So first we need to call the experimental suggest chain function provided by the Kepler. So window dot Kepler dot system. And here we need to pass this uh, parameter those we already created in our config file, such as chain config. So we directly pass there and import it from our config file. So we need to create a one offline signer. Const signer window dot get okay. Final method. And here we need to pass the our chain ID. So we already created our config file context dot chain ID. Now we need to use our offline signer to get the account address. Wait, offline signer dot get account method. Okay. And now log account. Okay, so let's see. First, we need to call this handler function on the connect button. On click passing this function here. Okay, so now check on our UI. On click is not a function. I suggest, oh, sorry, we need to pass this handle connect Kepler. Now refresh. Chain name is required. In the config, let me check. Give me something. RPC context dot RPC rest context dot rest chain ID context dot chain ID chain name. Okay, I forgot to add chain name here. Yes, chain name context dot chain name. Chain name we already defined here. Okay, let me check again. Is require. Okay, I think I missed something here. Sorry, reflection. 2, 3, 1, 5. Okay, so here now we are able to add our Nova net chain on the Kepler. So after click on the approve button, and yeah, we will get our account address here. This is my Comdex chain account address. If want to check Comdex, sorry, here, yes, 3F, and we are getting the same address here in the last 3F. So we add one condition here. If we already connected, then okay, we need to store the address in some variable. So for that, I'm creating one use state variable. Address, address, use state. Okay. So we store our address here. Address. Sorry, address 20. Where is it? Okay, sorry. Dot address. Now log the address here. Okay, we comment out this line. Log user address. Let me check again. Connect. Okay, we successfully get our address here. So let's put one condition. If we already get our address, we need to if our address is true, then we no need to pass the on click function here, and we will go connected. And else we pass this button here. Connected. Okay. Let's check the condition. Okay, so here we are able to get the address and successfully change the text of the button. So now we have got our address. Now we will provide to fetch its balance and get a user balance. So I am creating one function for to get a user balance and all balance method of the Cosmos SDK. So for that, In the util files, okay. I'm creating one new file here. Or better, okay. I'm creating a one new folder. Services. In the services folder, I'm creating one new file. Banquery.js. Okay, so for get the user balance, we need to import some method from the Cosm.js and Cosm.js Stargate. So first we need to import query client from Cosm.js type. Query client. Cosm.js type, okay. And the second thing is we need to the create protobuf and query client from the Cosm.js Stargate. So also importing both two functions. Client on Cosm.js Stargate and second is query client. Okay. Okay, we successfully imported both two functions. Now third, we need the HTTP batch client and a tendermint from the Cosm.js tendermint. So importing the batch client tendermint and tendermint 32 client. Okay, so now we imported all the necessary method from the Cosm.js library. So first, we need to create the query client function for calling all balance method of the Cosmos SDK. So I'm creating the query client here. New RPC. Here we need to pass the RPC. And the second thing, we pass the callback method for catching the error and the result. First, we need to create the HTTPS. And here we need to pass the RPC and batch size. Batch size limit. And the second thing is dispatch interval. Okay. So we set our batch size limit is 50 and dispatch interval is 500. So after that, we need to create a Tendermint client. So I'm creating this method here. Dot create. Here we need to pass this HTTP batch. Dot then I need to pass. And here we are creating a query client. A client is equal to query client from the Yes. And there we pass our tendermint client in this function. After that, we need to create a RPC client. And photo for client, and here we need to pass the query client in this method. Okay, so after that, we return the callback where we return the null if we getting result and pass the RPC client. After that, catch error if we get any error. Also call back the error dot message. Okay, so now here we are creating a function to get user balance. Query all balance. Here in the connect time we need to take user address, and second thing is callback function. So we already created a new query client we use here, and here we pass RPC. For that, we imported the complex and pass the complex RPC. And second thing, we need to pass the callback. So error, and let's say client. Okay, if we get error, we return the callback error and return. Else, we call our all balance method of the Cosmos SDK. So for that, we need to create a new query client. So for that, I creating a query services. You import from the new query client of the Cosm JS stuff. And here we pass the client here. So through this query services, we will call the all balance method. And here we need to pass the address. So, and here we pass the same address. Dot then we return the result. Call back result. In the case of error, we need to catch the error. Dot catch method error. Here we return the callback of error. Error dot message. So I think we are done with the all balance function method. Now it's time to call in our navigation bar to get the user balance. Before that, we request some token from the faucet. So if you see context, okay. So I already requested a token from the faucet website. You can request from here. We have a already faucet link, faucet.comdex.1. You can select the NovaNet chain and just paste our address. Comdex. And send token. We already have a token in my wallet. So okay, now I am calling this function in our navigation bar to get the user balance. So for that, we can't. We need to take the address as a parameter. So address, and we need to call the yes is this function importing from the services file, and here we pass the address and call back result. Okay. In case of any error, we will throw the error. And in case of result, we log the result here. Okay, so first we need to call this fetch balance function. So I will call in the use effect. Here we pass the address and at the dependency array. So let's check. Okay, there is some error in the this method. Okay, let's check again. Importing the query client function, importing the batch HTTP, HTTP request importing from the client. Query client and pass that internet client here. It's a callback error and then query is creating the query client and dot all balance method address. Okay, let me check we are getting the address here or not. Okay, we are getting the address here. Let me refactor this node. Let's check again. Our balance is not exported. Okay. Fine. Not a function. Okay, so here we get the user balance here. So currently I have 1000 CMDX in my wallet. So if you divide by the coin decimal, currently this is in mu term. So if you divide it by 10 to the power 6, so you will get the 100 token. And currently in my balance, I also have the 1000 CMDX here. So yeah, like that is for today, guys.